Hello, everyone. Good afternoon and good evening, good morning from wherever you're watching from, and welcome to another edition of um, Synapse Marketing Tutorials. Today, we shall be looking at how to scrape leads from Google, right? In our last tutorial, we looked at copywriting, email marketing, email automation, and likes. But today, like I said in my last tutorial, I said I'm going to show you how you can scrape leads from Google and then how you can clean it up using ChatGPT. And so without wasting much of our time, I want us to get straight. But before then, if you are joining us for the first time, please do not hesitate to go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop any new tutorial, you will be the first to get notified. That being said, thank you and thank you once again for joining. So straight to that. So as you can see, these are my tabs. I already have everything opened, right? And then right here we have Google. All right, so this is my Google browser. All right, this is my tab. So this is the script you're going to be using. This is the script we're going to be working with, right? So for now, let's say we want to search for, okay, so now here's the something. Depending on your niche or depending on the kind of leads you want to get, right, it is important, it is very important that you know what exactly you want to get. All right, so let's say for me, I want to target fitness coach, right? Fitness coach. I want to scrape their leads on Google, right? So what I will do is I come over to this place. This is it. So I'm starting with LinkedIn. I am starting with LinkedIn. All right. Please let's understand that I am starting with LinkedIn. All right. So now I come here and I change it to say fitness coach. Right. I leave the brackets. I leave them the way it is, and I, of course, at gmail.com or at Yahoo or at Outlook. So what this implies is anybody on LinkedIn, any fitness coach on LinkedIn that has Gmail, Yahoo, or at Outlook, I need their data. All right, those are the results I want you to give to me. All right, so let's go ahead and hit the enter button. So perfect. So as you can see, this is what you can see. Professional@gmail.com. You can see this as well. You can see this person. You can see this, right? You can see. So what you just definitely do is let's go ahead and copy this. Let's go ahead and copy this, and then straight up you just have a Microsoft document. It's just to copy and paste, copy and paste. All right, and then you paste. Okay, so now I've pasted that. Let me remove this guy here. Okay, so let's continue. So now this is the good part. It does not end here. You have 3 pages. So let's move to next. Let's go to next, and then again you copy, you paste. Right, perfect. Let's move to page 3 on Google. Right, okay, so this is where it ends. So there are no much how do I call it, much data of people in the fitness niche, right? But again, it doesn't stop there. Let's go to Facebook. So we checked for Facebook and LinkedIn. Let's go to Facebook, and voila, there we are. Now we are scraping data of people. Oh, so we have more data to scrape. We have 10 pages to go, right? So let's do this. Let's do this, guys. 2, page 2. You just copy everything. You just need to do here is copy. All right. And let me take this guy off. All right, so that is that. But now here's the trick here. I don't want to keep scraping and scraping and scraping, but of course you already understand what to do and how to go about it. But let us limit it to what we have here. All right. So now with what I have, we've been able to scrape a little, but trust me, it will be important if you're going to be using this method. Just make sure you scrape as much as you can. Okay, scrape as much as you can, but just make sure you give a minimum of say 2 minutes interval. Once you scrape the first 5 pages, wait for another 2 minutes, or at least say 10 minutes. Yes, just to be on the safe side, say 10 minutes. This will be safer for you. All right. Why? Because what you're doing, it is illegal. You are telling Google that you're just scraping people's data. They can see everything. Trust me, they can. All right. So, but now let's just stick to what we currently have. And then we have this data, right? And as it is, this is so dirty. This is not a clean data at all, right? But what you will do now is we want to now engage ChatGPT. Now you go ahead and copy everything here. You go ahead and copy. Now I have my ChatGPT already opened. And so let's prompt this guy. Say, now I want you to follow me according to what I'm doing, right? You're free. If you want to use this prompt, you're free. Please go ahead. But let's do it this way. All right, so let's just use this simple prompt. Okay, so I said I'm going to give you some data. All right, I want you to clean up the data by extracting all the emails alone in a column. Then let's do this. Make sure to delete any duplicated email and also remove any bad email. Let's do this. All right, so now let me give it the data and then I paste. All right, so I've just pasted what I copied here, and then let's click on everything is done. So let's go ahead. So then we wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. It is analyzing. All right, so it is analyzing the data. So guys, so I need just to understand that this is one of the ways you can scrape leads on, from Google. It's free, and of course you're not paying for this, right? And while we wait for ChatGPT to do its magic, and yeah, so that's just it, guys. And of course, so after this, I'm also going to show you. Maybe in our next tutorial, I'm also going to show you how you can also scrape from another platform, right? But this time around, it's more, how do I put it? More ethical. It's more ethical for you to scrape there, all right? So let's wait for ChatGPT to do its thing. ChatGPT is still, and of course, so you guys are free. You can come here, and this is just page number 2. Let's go to page 3. And as you can see, this is it. mwk.chris@gmail.com, right? You see more mails. You see more. Outlook, Gmail. This is Gmail. This is Gmail. This is Gmail. Yeah. So guys, I have 6 years of industry experience as a fitness coach. This is this person, right? So let's see if ChatGPT is ready. Oh, awesome. Nice. Great. So now this is what you just need to do, all right? You have this. Do you want me to also save them in CSV file? Then of course it's asking you, do you want me to save in CSV file so you can download and use directly? Yes, please. And of course, yes, it's the right format, right? It's the right format you need, CSV format, because definitely you're going to upload it on one of the email marketing systems that we will use. All right, so it is now ready. This just download clean email, right? So now boom, as you can see, this is it here. So let's go ahead and open this. Let's go ahead and open this, guys. Let's go ahead, let's do this, let's do this. Oh, come on, open up, open up, open up, open up. All right, so while that is still trying to open up, okay, so guys, as you can see, we have this data already. Okay, all right, so as you can see, guys, this is it. We have 21. We're able to script only 21, and of course this is in CSV format. All right, so but now here's the good part. I am not definitely going to use this because I already have my own leads, right? So for now we are going to stop here for this tutorial. I guess you enjoyed this, and I would be glad if you can of course go ahead and share with someone who would like to use this, or someone you think. And if you think you would like to learn more, please just drop a comment in the comment box. Tell me, just type I want more, and be rest assured I will do more videos like this. All right, and that's that for now, guys. Thank you, and thank you.